Hi guys.
I can show you. Wait.
This is my video. So
Here.
okay.
ChatGPT. Here is
My
of
brother
some of
is-
my edit on ChatGPT. Do you know how to do that?
No, but
I'll
okay.
teach you.
This is my brother. Her name is Angel. Okay, guys. Okay.
Tito Angel. Hello guys, I'm Tito Angel.
You speak Filipino. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm going to see what you're animating.
Okay.
I'm going
here.
to wait ChatGPT.
First is we can go on
What?
on ChatGPT.
I don't know. ChatGPT is
But-
not here. Look.
Wait. Go to Play Store.
Please do.
Yes. Search ChatGPT.
Okay.
Here. Here.
ChatGPT.
Yes.
Let me see.
Wait,
She's on already.
Yes.
Click.
Can we take picture here?
Oh yeah.
Wait. Where's the camera? Oh, here. The smile. Okay. We can edit that
Thank you.
on ChatGPT.
Thank you. Okay, we can. Fine. I'm not going to
Yeah.
download keyboard anymore. It's so many. Look.
Where?
It's many.
Here.
I'm
What
going to use my phone.
do you want to? Do you want this?
No.
Wait. There's so many choices here. Okay, we can try here.
No, I don't like that.
Yes, wait.
This
Take
is
a moment.
my favorite.
Here's our picture. Done.
Blah
And just send it on
blah. What?
this.
What?
And just take a moment.
Are you a YouTuber?
No.
Uh,
But I'm a vlogger, content creator.
yeah, me too.
Here. Just wait. And yes.
My ChatGPT
You
is
can
here now. I think. Oh, there. ChatGPT is here now. Thank you.
Okay. Your screenshot. Okay. You can log in.
I
Message you.
ChatGPT.
And then. Okay.
How did you know? It's nice.
Chorus. Login ka sa Google.
Yay, Lolita. Oh, yes. Okay.
Continue. Just
That's my
continue.
nanay, my grandma's name. Okay. There.
Nako.
Oh
How
no.
old is your lola?
72. 72?
Here.
There.
Is this you?
Yeah.
No.
Is this cute?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Dito nga tayo.
Start voice.
Huh?
Big voice.
Yo!
Oh!
Hey,
no.
Chops.
No, it's already 4 minutes. You can stop.
Ano yan?
Hello.
I'm here. Just
Hello,
tell me
Chap.
what you'd like
Can
me
you
to
speak
stop,
Tagalog?
and I'll take care of it.
Naka-record siya mali.